What's up, everybody? Matt here, American Campfire Creations. We ended up leaving Flagstaff after only a couple days, but the signal there was a little iffy, and my wife needs good internet, and so do I, obviously, for YouTubing. And the area we were boondocking in, signal wasn't good enough for us to really get much done. So we decided to go ahead and move on to our next stop, which is Sedona, Arizona. And we are about 10-12 minutes outside of the actual city itself, in a boondocking area out in the middle of mountains and fields and forest back that way. Gonna be a beautiful sunset over that way. We got the RV set up. You can see we're out here in the middle of kind of a large open fielded area. There's an access road here. Mountains all around us. Got the truck set up here. I'm gonna be taking the bike down, and that's actually what today's video is about. I'm gonna show you guys how I set up the ramp here, get the Harley down out of the back of the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera here on the tripod and get the bike off of there so we can go cruising around down in Sedona. So I have the straps secured at 3 different points. 2 in the rear to pull the ramp forward so that it doesn't go backwards when I get the bike down on it. And a point at the front that pulls the ramp down so that it doesn't pop up when I back the motorcycle down it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and back it down nice and slow. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. This was just my short getting the Harley out of the truck video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Turn on notifications so you can check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see everybody around the next campfire. Be easy, everybody.